Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. If you're new to the HVAC industry, this video is the perfect place to start. Before learning installation, maintenance, or troubleshooting, you should understand the basic concepts of HVAC. A strong foundation in HVAC basics will help you understand how heating, cooling, ventilation, and refrigeration systems work together to provide indoor comfort. In this video, we'll explain the essential HVAC concepts that every beginner should know. What does HVAC mean? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Heating keeps indoor spaces warm during cold weather. Ventilation provides fresh air and removes stale or contaminated air. And air conditioning removes heat and humidity to keep indoor spaces cool and comfortable. Together, these three functions help maintain a comfortable and healthy indoor environment in homes, offices, hospitals, shopping malls, hotels, factories, and many other buildings. How does an HVAC system work? A basic air conditioning system works by transferring heat from inside a building to the outside. It does not create cold air. Instead, it removes unwanted heat from the indoor space. The refrigeration cycle continuously circulates refrigerant through four main components: the compressor, condenser, expansion device, and evaporator. As the refrigerant moves through these components, it absorbs heat indoors and rejects it outdoors, producing the cooling effect we feel. The four main components of an HVAC system. Every basic vapor compression air conditioning system contains four essential refrigeration components. The compressor compresses low-pressure refrigerant vapor into high-pressure, high-temperature vapor and circulates refrigerant throughout the system. The condenser releases heat from the refrigerant to the outside air or water, changing the refrigerant from a high-pressure vapor into a high-pressure liquid. The expansion device, such as a TXV, electronic expansion valve, capillary tube, or fixed orifice, reduces refrigerant pressure and controls the amount of refrigerant entering the evaporator. The evaporator absorbs heat from the indoor air, allowing the refrigerant to evaporate and produce the cooling effect. What is refrigerant? Refrigerant is the working fluid that carries heat through the refrigeration cycle. As it circulates through the system, the refrigerant continuously changes between liquid and vapor states. It absorbs heat inside the evaporator and releases that heat at the condenser. Modern HVAC systems may use refrigerants such as R32, R410A, R454B, or others depending on the equipment design and local regulations. What is heat transfer? Heat always moves from a warmer object or area to a cooler one. The refrigeration system uses this natural principle to remove heat from indoor spaces. The evaporator absorbs indoor heat, while the condenser releases that heat outdoors, allowing the indoor environment to become cooler. Why is airflow important? Proper airflow is essential for efficient HVAC operation. The indoor blower moves warm indoor air across the evaporator coil, where heat is removed from the air. The outdoor fan moves air across the condenser coil to help reject heat. Dirty air filters, blocked coils, damaged fans, or restricted ductwork can reduce airflow, decrease cooling performance, increase energy consumption, and place additional stress on the HVAC system. Common types of HVAC systems. There are several types of HVAC systems used around the world. The most common systems include split air conditioners, window air conditioners, package units, VRF/VRV systems, chiller systems, central air conditioning systems, heat pumps, and ductless mini-split systems. The choice of system depends on the building size, cooling load, budget, and application. Basic HVAC tools. Every HVAC technician should become familiar with essential service tools. Some of the most commonly used tools include a manifold gauge set, vacuum pump, digital multimeter, clamp meter, refrigerant charging scale, leak detector, thermometer, flaring tool, pipe cutter, and torque wrench. These tools are used for installation, maintenance, diagnostics, and troubleshooting. Why should you learn HVAC basics? Learning HVAC basics is the first step toward becoming a professional technician. When you understand the refrigeration cycle, heat transfer, refrigerant flow, system components, and airflow, it becomes much easier to diagnose faults, perform maintenance, install equipment correctly, and succeed in HVAC job interviews. A strong understanding of the fundamentals also helps technicians learn advanced topics such as inverter technology, chillers, VRF systems, commercial HVAC, superheat, subcooling, and troubleshooting. HVAC is much more than simply repairing air conditioners. It is a technical field based on heat transfer, refrigeration principles, airflow, electrical systems, and mechanical components. By understanding the HVAC basics, you'll build a strong foundation that will make learning advanced HVAC topics much easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.